Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you start center subject through the situation that is about to be specified here to select the subject that you would like to align. I will start to try to build a polygon. So then as you can see, click on align horizontal centers and align vertical centers button on the top bar. So we have to start to go here, alignment, horizontal centers. Okay, we double click OK, but we see that if you see this one, you should double click on that tool and then align horizontal centers and align the vertical center, which is really this one, and this will be about to be like this. And if inside a frame, using the auto light out to consider it as to center it. So if you see this part here, you're gonna start like to see this kind of center thing. Okay, lasso, shape builder, and I think a satisfying thing is about this vector is really taking some kind of positions. See the alignment, it doesn't work in each things, but okay. You see this position here is really like take alignment on it, but okay. I just told you how you start to click on alignment, but it doesn't work because this really kind of version, like it doesn't accept my doing in center, but there is a certain number for a position with X and Y positions that it can help you to make it centered. So you can start to type centering X, Y, and Y, screen, number, screen, position. And it will give you the number of position, and you can add it on that part as X and Y positions on the alignment, which is below it.